Hey, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look with Pipecleaner Curls, stay tuned.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.
Okay guys, I'm back and I'm okay, so as you can see, I've already done I did about half of my hair. And so I'm gonna show you what I did. If you wanna look at my other video where I do these pipe cleaner curls, I'll link it in the description or on an info card. You'll see it in one place or another. So for most of my hair, I did this kind of a twist. So on the curl, so, and it was doubled up. But I ran out of them, so I had to open them up and cut them in half and do it half and half. So this is what the curler looks like. And let me just take one from right here to show you my method. Show you a couple of these. So I put it through the loop, put my hair through the loop, clamp the loop down, and fold it over. Excuse me, I'm getting over a cold. First time I've had a cold in about 2 years because of the pandemic. And of course the first week that I go back to school. And so I just roll it up. And of course I ran out of room, so I'm gonna have to unroll it and take this loop out. So for some of my hair is too long to do this with the single ply pipe cleaner. When I was doubling up the pipe cleaners, meaning I was folding them in half, I didn't have enough. I had to, make a double loop so it wouldn't hang over. But with the single pipe cleaner, I'm just rolling the hair up and pushing it down a little bit. And my hair is actually getting too long in spots to do it this way. And I'm just rolling it up, and then I fold it over at the top. And it's really that easy. So this is the double ply. Obviously, this is what I did in the back of my hair. So with the double ply, I was able, see how much longer it is? It's able to do that. So I'll take one of these and do it that way, so you can see it that way. So again, I stick the hair through the hole, fold it up, and just proceed to roll it on the pipe cleaner. And I'm not doing it a particular way every time. I'm just trying to make sure that it's neat and that you don't see much pipe cleaner. When you roll it up, you just see that it's that way. And then I take the back part and tie it down. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can show you that in slow motion.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help have this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I
Okay, this is me after I've rolled up all my hair. And I'll come back when I take it out, but I'm probably gonna leave it in for close to a week. Leave this hair like this for a week or so, because it'll just be an easy get up and go style. I don't have to worry about it. I just have to get up and, you know, get dressed. I don't have to do anything to it. The only thing I might do now is sit under the hooded dryer for a few minutes, because my hair was wet. I did wash my hair today, and so I'm just going to sit under the dryer for a little bit and let it dry, maybe 15-20 minutes, and see how it dries, and then I'm done. And then in the morning I'll probably just spritz it with a little oil and a little leave-in conditioner. But I forgot to tell you what I put on my hair prior to rolling it up. I washed my hair, and I washed my hair, and I will be, you know, you can see my, if you want to see my hair care routine, I do one. It pretty much is the same. I might change up my shampoo a little bit, but I basically do a deep conditioner before I wash my hair. I wash my hair every week to 2 weeks, depending on what I do. And then to prep my hair to roll it up, I did use some curling foam. Now, this is Lotta Body. I just put some Lotta Body in this bottle, but I have used this foam too. This foam is good. But I put some Lotta Body in, just worked it on my hair, a little of this Cream of Nature mist, and then I used a little bit of this Shine Mist, and then I put a little oil treatment to coat my hair first. So I do put a few things on there, and it's just to give it some moisture, and then while it's drying, it'll give it some, you know, keep it moist. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer, but this is how it looks, and then I'll come back with the final look once I have taken the curls out. Hey guys, this is Jennifer, back with TheWookie Natural. I wanted to just show you, this is me with my hair in the pipe cleaners a week in, and so this is what it looked like. I think I did them on Sunday night, and it is now Friday night. I plan to take them out on Sunday, and then you can see the final look.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how
Look of those pipe cleaner curls. They fell a little bit since I did it this morning. It just happened to rain outside, but they'll be pretty curly for a couple of days. So there you have it. That's it. Until next time, stay with me.